Hello friends, I am Himanshu. Welcome back, and here I am with the solution of the problem that I have given in the previous video. I have asked you for this format 929 hyphen 9352, then the 4 character and hyphen and the last 3 character. Look, the approach should be like the first 3 character. We may have the first 3 character from this particular cell or the phone number with the help of left function. So text 1 is going to be left function, then hyphen, then the mid 4 character we may pick it through a mid function, that's going to be text 3 hyphen, which is text 4, and the last 3 character we may pick with the help of right function, so it's going to be text 5. Let's see. So here concatenate text 1, we need to pick this 3 characters, so I'm going to apply left. Text is this one and the number of characters 3, comma, then we need to put hyphen sign, so within the quotation I have given hyphen. Text 3, we want 4 characters starting from the 4th position, and also we need to pick 4 characters, so I'm going to apply mid. Text is this one, starting number 4 and the number of characters 4. Again I need to put hyphen because there is going to be hyphen as a text 4, and then the last 3 character I'm going to apply right. Text is this one and the number of characters 3. Bracket close for right function, bracket close for concatenate function, enter, and we will have the solution. Concatenate is one of the very important functions, and in the future videos also you will get the hint about this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.